Good morning everyone, and today I will teach you a new recipe using our TupperChef pressure cooker 6.5 liter. Okay, so this recipe is called beef pochero. So normally it would take you an hour and a half or even longer to cook beef pochero, but I will show you that with the pressure cooker you can cook it 3 times faster. Okay, so let's begin. Okay. So to start, we're going to turn on our stove top. We're going to put it on medium heat. Okay, so what's nice about this cookware is it's actually made of 304 stainless steel, which ensures that it is really high quality cookware. It has a 3-ply base, so it ensures efficient heat distribution. So it's able to maximize the heat of your stovetop or of your induction cooker. Okay, so as you can see, I'm actually using an induction stovetop, so it's compatible with induction. Okay, so to begin, we're going to put a little oil. Okay, so we're going to brown our chorizo and also our beef. Okay, so we have here some garlic. So we'll wait for it to heat up a little. Okay. As you can see, I just turned it on. It's already hot. So you can already hear the garlic cooking. And then we're going to add the chorizo. And then we are already going to put the beef. So you are just going to cook it until it's slightly brown. So you just allow the juices to come out. Okay. And then we are going to put the crushed tomato. So this is actually tomato in can. So we're just going to pour it in. Okay. And then we are going to put our beef broth. So around 2 cups. We are going to put the lid on. And then we're going to turn the pressure control valve to 2. Okay. And then you are going to wait for the pressure indicator to tell you that it's already on high pressure mode. So you're going to see 2 rings here at the pressure control indicator, and you will see this pressure pin pop up to tell you that it is already creating pressure inside. Okay, so we are going to wait for 25 minutes, and then we're going to turn it off. And then we're going to add the vegetables, and we'll wait for 10 minutes. It will be already cooked. Okay, so see you later.
Okay, so when the pressure starts building up, you will notice that of course the pin will go up. The pressure indicator will also show the green rings. Okay, so this is the pressure pin. As you can see, it has gone up. Okay, and you will see the rings also on the pressure indicator.
Okay, so it's done. It's nice and tender. So what we're going to do is we're going to add all the vegetables. So we are going to put bananas. Okay, so we're going to put some potatoes. And then we're going to put the green beans. And then we're going to put some cabbage and bok choy or pechay. Okay, and some garbanzos. Okay, so we're also going to season it. So we can put patis. We can season it with pepper. And if you want to put more salt, you can. So it's up to you, but I like to use patis as my to add that salty flavor. I prefer patis or fish sauce. So it's up to you. And then we're going to allow this to cook for another 10 minutes. So the banana, I actually had it, I liked it a little bit, cooked. So I fried it. I prefer frying my bananas before putting it in the pochero and also the potatoes. So you can do that as well before putting it in. And then you're just gonna allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Okay. Alright, so let's wait. Thank you. Okay, it's done! Wow, looks good! Okay, ready to eat! Tara, kain tayo!